Welcome to the beautiful state of Montana, where breathtaking landscapes meet business-friendly environments. Today, we're going to explore why starting an LLC and obtaining an Employer Identification Number, EIN, in Montana can be a game-changer for entrepreneurs and businesses alike. So, let's dive in. Why Montana, you may ask? Well, Montana offers a unique combination of natural beauty, a low population density, and a business-friendly climate, making it an ideal location to start and grow your business. Now, let's discuss the key reasons why anyone should consider starting an LLC and obtaining an EIN in Montana. Firstly, forming a limited liability company, commonly known as an LLC, provides business owners with personal liability protection. This means that your personal assets are separate from your business liabilities, safeguarding your personal finances. Montana's LLC laws are flexible and well-established, making it easier for entrepreneurs to enjoy these benefits. Secondly, Montana offers a favorable tax environment for businesses. As an LLC, you have the option to choose how your business is taxed. You can choose to be taxed as a sole proprietorship, partnership, or even as a corporation, depending on your needs. This flexibility can help you optimize your tax strategy and potentially save money. Now, let's walk through the step-by-step process of starting an LLC and obtaining an EIN in Montana. Step 1. Determine the LLC name. The first step is to choose a name for your LLC. Make sure the name is unique and complies with Montana's naming requirements. You can search for name availability on the Montana Secretary of State's website. Step 2. Appoint a registered agent. Next, you'll need to appoint a registered agent for your LLC. A registered agent is a person or entity responsible for receiving legal documents on behalf of your business. The registered agent must have a physical address in Montana. Step 3. File Articles of Organization. Now, it's time to file the Articles of Organization with the Montana Secretary of State. This document officially establishes your LLC and includes important information such as the LLC's name, registered agent details, and the LLC's purpose. Step 4. Create an operating agreement. Although not required by Montana law, creating an operating agreement is highly recommended. This document outlines the ownership structure, decision-making process, and distribution of profits and losses among LLC members. After forming your LLC, it's time to obtain an EIN, also known as an Employer Identification Number. An EIN is a unique 9-digit number issued by the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, and is required for various business purposes. Step 5. Apply for an EIN. To apply for an EIN, you can visit the IRS website or complete Form SS-4. You'll need to provide information about your LLC, such as the legal name, principal place of business, and the responsible party's details. Once approved, you'll receive your EIN immediately. Congratulations! You've successfully started an LLC and obtained an EIN in Montana. Now that you have your business entity established and your EIN in hand, it's time to leverage the advantages and opportunities that Montana has to offer. Montana is not just a state with beautiful landscapes, it's also a place where entrepreneurship thrives. The tight-knit business community, supportive organizations, and access to resources make Montana an excellent environment to grow your business. Here are some additional tips to maximize your LLC's success in Montana. Take advantage of Montana's tax benefits. Montana offers various tax incentives and credits to businesses, such as the Big Sky Economic Development Trust Fund and the Business Equipment Tax Credit. Familiarize yourself with these opportunities to optimize your tax strategy. Engage with local business networks. Attend networking events, join business associations, and connect with other entrepreneurs in the area. Montana's business community is known for its collaborative spirit, and building relationships can lead to valuable partnerships and growth opportunities. Leverage the outdoor recreation industry. Montana's natural beauty and abundance of outdoor activities attract tourists from around the world. If your business aligns with the outdoor recreation industry, such as tourism, hospitality, or outdoor gear, tap into this lucrative market. Embrace technology and remote work. Montana embraces remote work and telecommuting. Leverage digital tools, embrace remote work policies, and consider hiring talent from across the state or even globally. This flexibility can help you access a diverse pool of skilled professionals while reducing overhead costs. Stay informed and compliant. Keep track of Montana's business regulations, tax laws, and reporting requirements. Stay up to date with any changes that may impact your LLC and ensure you comply with all state and federal regulations. As you embark on your journey as a Montana LLC owner, remember that success comes with hard work, perseverance, and a strategic mindset. By choosing Montana as your business destination and following the necessary steps to establish your LLC and obtain an EIN, you've set yourself up for a promising future. Montana, with its awe-inspiring beauty and business-friendly environment, offers an exceptional backdrop for entrepreneurs and businesses seeking growth, success, and a balanced lifestyle. So, take the leap, start your LLC, get your EIN, and unlock the limitless possibilities that Montana has to offer. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 1 minute through Northwest Registered Agent. The full review of Northwest Registered Agent is also given in the description down below. Starting an LLC? Let us show you how to do it in a right way. First thing first, the whole point of an LLC is to separate you and your business. That's what protects your finances and privacy. Start by appointing a registered agent. Your LLC official point of contact. Hiring a registered agent is a smart and affordable method to maximize privacy. Next, see if your name is available by checking your state business database. Now you are ready to file state paperwork. The average fee is around $100. Apply for a free EIN from IRS website. Having your tax ID in hand you'll make the rest steps easy. Put your LLC policy in writing with an operating agreement. Make it easy with free template like ours. Remember when we said LLC separates you and your business, that's why your LLC needs its own bank account. Your bank account does not do any good in empty, time for each member to contribute. Be prepared for annual files and fees like state reports and taxes. Check the link in the description below. Start your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent.